What happened to your iPad, you said, miss?
So my little sister was like playing with it and she thought she knew the passcode, so she tried to put the passcode in and she disabled it.
Wow. Don't worry, I got you.
Thank you.
Connect your USB cable. Press and hold power button and the home button at the same time. Once you see the Apple logo appears, release the power button, keep holding the home button. This is what you have to see it.
Sweet time for life.
Open iTunes on your PC. Connect your USB cable. Restore. Restore and update. Restore is completed. Your iPad is ready, miss. Now it's unlocked. Here we go.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
Now I can use it for my online business.
What business?
Well, I'm going to start an online business and I'm going to be making stickers.
Look at you. How about this? This is from me. I want to help for your business.
What?
I don't want to charge you for this one.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
So you can start doing on your business.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you very
You're
much.
welcome.
Thank you.
Good. So you still want to pay me?
Yes.
Why?
But I'm going to pay you for some more dog treats for Ice.
Oh, look at you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.